Welcome to Abacoa. My name is Scott Warner, and this is my partner, Julie. While it may be very serene and calm behind me right now, I guarantee you that's not always the case. There are lots of activities, such as concerts, festivals, fireworks.
Instead of talking about it, Scott, let's take a look.
Abacoa is one of the most beautiful communities in Jupiter, Florida. Located just 1 minute off of I-95, Abacoa is an over 2,000-acre master-planned, mixed-use community that was designed with the principles of a traditional neighborhood development, with golf, sports fields, country clubs, restaurants, shops, and top-quality schools all within walking distance. At the heart of Abacoa, you'll enjoy Town Center, which features beautiful shops, coffee houses, and urban bistros. There's also a central park with a stage where families gather for various events, such as live concerts, festivals, and the ever-popular food truck invasion. Also in Town Center, you'll find Roger Dean Stadium, the only stadium in the country to host 4 minor league baseball teams. During spring training, Roger Dean Stadium is also host to the Miami Marlins and the St. Louis Cardinals. Next to Town Center, you'll find the Jupiter campus of Florida Atlantic University, the Scripps Research Institute, which is a top biomedical research facility, and the Max Planck Institute for Neuroscience. Located on the southwestern end of Abacoa is the Abacoa Golf Club, one of the best and most popular courses in all of Jupiter, with the layout designed by course architect Joe Lee. As you wind your way throughout Abacoa, you'll notice several subdivisions with unique architectural design, layouts, and individual neighborhoods with their own unique flair and personality. With a wide variety of townhomes, single-family homes, and estates, you'll find homes featuring backyard swimming pools, screened-in lanais, and exquisite estate designs. Most subdivisions also offer swimming pools, clubhouses, and children's playgrounds. Abacoa is also conveniently located just 5 minutes from the stunning Juno Beach. With so many different neighborhoods, designs, and layouts, you're sure to find a price range that fits your lifestyle. Abacoa in Jupiter, Florida.
We watch Abacoa come out of the ground and grow and mature into the fantastic community that it is today.
We'd love to show you around.